Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our backup and restore feature found under our preferences. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we head back into the program here. So as you guys can remember, or hopefully remember by now, we are currently busy with the preferences, a mini series on that, and we just covered basically all the main options inside the general tab. So now we're going to be looking at the backing up and restoring. So in order to locate it, obviously we want to go to our preferences, which will be the main menu. So zoom there, edit, preferences, and then it will open up our preferences. Make sure we're under the general tab, and then we can go right to the bottom. So now, first of all, obviously if we want to look at the restore, we first need to make a backup. So what I'm going to do is click backup. Then you can see over here it's going to tell us or ask us where we want to make these backups to. I'm just going to leave it at the default location, and then under that, what to backup. Now there's quite a list of things, which is handy. It's not just your preferences. So yes, it does back up all your preferences you set, but also your workspaces, color swatch library. So I'll be like this extra one we've created, templates and so forth. As you can see here, there's quite a list of things it does. And then at the bottom here, we also have this nice little option, which is backup automatically every and then X amount of days, which in our case will be every month about. It will make a backup for us. Now for your first backup, I would recommend click there, backup now. And then if you've done that, it will create our first backup, which we can restore. And that will bring us to this. So let's say something goes wrong in your program and some preferences are not working, or you've adjusted something, or maybe you've just restored it to default, but you want to get back to your old ones. And that is where it comes in, this nice little restore option. You'll click that, and then it will ask us which ones we want to restore. So you don't have to do all of them. Maybe just you want to restore just maybe your color palettes or something on that line. So you can uncheck everything except for that. And then what we have on top here is revision to restore, and that will have the dates. So if yours is set to every 30 days, then 30 days from this date you will have another version. So you can backtrack quite far depending on how many backups you've made. And then when you're ready, you simply just click the restore button here at the bottom, and then it should restore those settings for you. And then our last little option there, which I mentioned earlier, and that is restore to defaults. So let's say you've played around here and you've made a bit of a mess, then it's always handy having this. Then you can always click restore defaults, and then it should reset all these things. But yeah, otherwise that is it on backing up and restoring. Very handy little tool to have. And I would definitely say at least consider making one backup, so in case stuff goes messy, then you can restore it. But yeah, otherwise in the meanwhile though, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.